Hello friends, myself Harshika. Welcome to my channel. This is my new video on a spiritual infection. So what is an infection? Infection is a transmitted diseases which is spreading through a one person next to next person. These infection are caused by the bacteria, viruses, protozoa. Infection can easily transmitted by a shake hand, hugging, kissing or through a sexual contacts. Everyone know about the physical infection, but in this video we talk about the spiritual infection. Means those type of diseases which is transmitted through a spiritual connection, the connection through a spiritual cords. These cords are coming from a chakra center. The infection coming through a auric field, means some other person auric field are infected your auric field. So these are the spiritual infection, but these infection are extremely powerful. These infection affects our multi-dimensional soul anatomy. Means we not only have, we think we only have a physical body. That physical body only having our physical organ, just like a bones, muscle, tissues and the vital organs, just like a kidney and liver. But we have a multi-dimensional soul anatomy. Means inside, the deep inside with this physical body, we have a etheric body, emotional body, a mental body, astral body, celestial body, causal body, etheric template. So these are our multi-dimensional bodies. So the spiritual infection are actually infected these bodies. These infection are easily enter in our etheric body and infected our nadi system. The nadis are the soul nerves and fiber. Means the nadi system are just like a blueprint of our CNS system. In our central nervous system there is a many type of arteries, vessels. So the nadi system is just like a blueprint of our CNS system. So in this nadi system, these are the soul nerves and fibers which is present in our etheric body, and these nerves and fiber are connected through our chakra system. And in this nerves and fiber there is a flow of electron and protons. Means electron, the flow of electron in our left side, just which is connected with our Ingla Nadi, and the flow of proton is our right side, which is connected to our Pingla Nadi, means the masculine side. So these in this nadi system there is always these type of electron and proton flows are managing, and these nadis are also transmitted as a very special type of spiritual energy. These type of spiritual energy is a liquid plasmic light which is actually transmitted in this nadi system. So these nadi system are extremely powerful. But what happen when the infection are coming in this way? So the spiritual infection is caused by the astral parasites. Just like a physical infection is caused by the physical bacteria, viruses and protozoa, but same way the spiritual infection are caused by the spiritual parasite, which are the astral parasites or etheric parasites. These parasites having their own kingdoms and own life cycle. Just like a physical parasite, these parasites also having their own kingdoms and own life cycle. So these parasites are actually attached to our nadi system, our spiritual body, and start eating up this nadi system. Means for example, if your upper system, if your upper nadi tantra is infected, for example your heart chakra and thyroid chakra is infected, there is a parasite in this nadi tantra. So in a physical body you will experience the loss of vital organs. Means you are suffer from a TB or asthma or a bronchitis or the heart disease like a heart articulosis. So these type of heart disease, if these nadi tantra is infected, if your thyroid chakra and the heart chakra is infected by this parasite, so after some years you will experience the physical disease. Same way, if your lower chakras are infected, like your sacral chakra or the solar plexus chakra is infected, so after a few years of this infection you will experience the UTI infection, mean a urinary tract infection, or the loss of kidney. There is a kidney stone or the fibrosis and the hemorrhoids. So this type of infection, because the main reason of the physical infection is actually damage in your nadi tantra, means your lower chakras having a severe infection, same way your upper chakras having a severe infection. So the nadi system is a very important part of our multi-dimensional soul anatomy. Most of the humans are not aware about these nadi system. The physical medicine, for example, if you suffering from a TB and you are taking a meditation of TB, but the meditation only works if your nadi system is work. If your thyroid chakra is completely infected and these nadis are damaged, so your TB is incurable. Same way, if you have a UTI infection or the ovarian cyst, you can only heal these physical diseases when your nadi system is working. If your sacral, solar plexus and root chakra is more and more infected and these nadi is completely destroyed or rotten, so you never heal the physical disease. So the nadi system and the flow of this nadi system is actually the spiritual immunity, and you have to boost up the spiritual immunity if you want to heal your physical body. What I personally experience, most of the people having a soul fragmentation, means before a physical death, for example, before a physical degeneration is started, just like a cell death or degeneration is started, there is a before 4 to 5 years your astral bodies start rotting, because if there is an infection of this area and if you are not doing any kind of healing detoxification work, so this infection going to be a severe, and this affects your physical body, and your vital organs are permanently damaged, or this is a cause of the physical death. Because your emotional body is distorted, astral body is distorted, nadi tantra is distorted, so it will creating the physical death. So the nadi system is the most important system. Now the talk about the pathogens or the parasites. These nadi system is infected by the astral parasites or the etheric parasites. So what type of parasites are there? So in this video I'm not going a detailed version of these parasites, but giving you the overall look of these parasites. So the nadi system is infected by this type of parasites. These parasites are, the first type of parasite is the NGR coding implant. It's creating the addiction matrix. They are just like a tick, and they are going a deeper inside our etheric body, and they are completely eating our nadi tantra. So this is a one type of astral parasite implant, and this implant is very, very common. They are transmitted through a generation, means a blood contact, or the biological DNA transmitted from one to next generation. Now the second type of implant is a larva of sexual demons, means the larva of incubus and the succubus. So these are the larvae which is attached our negative chakras, means these larvas are attached to our knee joint, our hip area or the foot area. So these are the larvae, and these larva is infected when you have a wrong sexual contact, means if you are creating the sexual contact with this demon, or the sexual contact with a karmic partner or prostitute or someone which is not your divine partner, if you are creating the sexual contact with that people, so these you are easily infected by these larvae, and because of these larvae your sexual energy are completely drained and your lower chakras are infected. Now the next type of parasite is the astral leech attachment. The astral reach attachment is a very powerful type of parasites. They having their tentacles, and these tentacles are goes inside in your chakra system, means goes inside your root chakra, sacral chakra, and a solar plexus chakra. And these parasite is just draining your sexual energy, just sucking the energy of your nadi tantra. Just like I am telling you, there is a liquid plasmic light in a light body, in a astral body. So this liquid plasmic light is sucked by this identity, and they are sucking your sexual energy. So your sacral chakra, solar plexus, and a root chakra is completely infected by this parasite, the astral reach attachment. These astral reach attachment are also infected, also attack our thyroid chakra. Means if your thyroid chakra is attached by this leech system, you are unable to express your emotions. There is the imbalance between your brain and a communication system. Means inside your brain there is so many thoughts, but you can't communicate, because this type of leech attachment in your thyroid chakra. This astral leech attachment also present in a third eye chakra and completely blockage your psychic power, your intuitive awareness. And the astral leech attachment is one of most powerful attachment, or the implant. So these are the second. The people who are suffering from these leech or the larva attachment, they having their uncontrolled sexual thoughts. They are spending their time to seeing a porn videos, to seeing to just because to waiting for a partner. There is a deep desperation of a partner these people having, because these implant also creating the addiction matrix. Means you are needy for a love, you are needy for the others, for the emotional dependency, and you are just continuously finding a friendships, continuously finding a relationship because of these parasite creating the major emotional disturbance. You having a panic attacks, there is a irregular heartbeat, panic attacks, anxiety, fears, and blockages in your voice center. Means you are unable to communicate, unable to express your true feeling. So these are the symptom of this parasite. In a most severe stages, these parasite creating the bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and in a physical body they are creating the infection in your UTI tract, kidney infection, liver infection, gallbladder infection, digestion disorder, and there is a also the disease caused by this parasite are the asthma, TB, and also the severe like lung disease because of this parasite's attachment in a physical body. Now the next type of parasite is a SPE implant, SPE identity, and SPE means the suppressed parasite identity. These identity are extremely powerful because they are basically attached to your crown chakra, ninth chakra means a universal chakra, eighth chakra higher heart chakra, and the thoracic chakra. So these identity are just also known as astral octopus. Means they are very enlarged, they having a multiple tentacles just like a octopus, and these tentacle goes inside your each and every chakra and start draining your life force. Because of these identity attachment, you have a problem of learning, you have a problem of thinking. These identity creating the negative self-talk or the mind chattering. Means there is a automatic negative thought, negative version of reality are created in your mind. These identity creating the enormous amount of fear. This is a fear of poverty, fear of rejections, fear of insult. So these are the fears or the hatred, jealousy, fears, mind chattering, negative self-talk, low self-esteem are created by these identities. So these are the very powerful identity, and they are also creating the mind manipulation, means they are continuously monitoring your CNS system, monitoring your thoughts and vision, and creating the reverse version of reality. These identity also creating the dream manipulation, means creating those type of dreams which is not yours. The next type of astral identity is a red spider implant. These type red spider implant, so these red spider implant is actually affected your higher chakras, crown chakra, third eye chakra, thoracic chakra, and these implant also created the severe mental disorder like a schizophrenia and a bipolar disorders. Now the next type of the identity is a dragon mouth attachment. These are the very huge identity, and they are creating the complete blockages of our avatar self and a monad self. We discuss later about this dragon mouth identity. So these are the astral parasite, and because of these parasite, astral disease or the spiritual disease are created, and these parasite can transmit it from one to another person through a sexual contact, through a physical contact, through a astral sex. So these are the very powerful and are transmitted disease. As I already explained of this symptom, because of this parasite there is a severe soul destruction and the rotting of our astral body, soul fragmentation, completely disconnection of a soul, spirit and a monad self. And these parasite also creating the physical disease like a organ lost and the cell death, mental disease as I already explained, negative self-talk, anxiety, addiction, and all type of negative mind manipulation because of this disease. Now how you can heal the spiritual infection, or what type of spiritual work you have to done to relieve this identities. So the healing work you have done, first is the Kundalini Ascension journey stage 15, etheric surgery. In a Kundalini Ascension journey, there is a stage 15 which is known as the etheric surgery. So in this stage, all type of parasite are removed by the mother Kundalini, and this stage is a very powerful stage. So the next method is a chakras activation. You have to activate your 7 chakras through a mantra meditation, through a visualization, any type of technique, but you have to activate your 7 chakras. Third is a precaution. You have to create the boundaries from the negative people. Avoid sexual contact to the random people, just like a one night stay, prostitute, or with your karmic partner, and control your mind. You have to control your sexual thought. Fourth is a detoxification work. You have to do a deep meditation, deep cleansing work, connect with the nature, using the grounding technique, connect with the source water. Fifth is a discipline your mind. As I told, discipline your mind means control your mind. If there is a negative thoughts are coming in your mind, you have to control your mind. And sixth is learn self-love, learn unconditional love to others, learn unconditional forgiveness. So this is a spiritual work you have to done to remove this spiritual infection, because if your astral body is completely healed and no infection, so your physical body is automatically healed. So this is my video on a spiritual infection. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you're interested in a private guidance like a reading, twin flames reading, you can contact me. If you're interested in learning how to activate Kundalini, how to activate chakras, how to reprogram your subconscious mind, you can email me. And if you are interested in a more teaching video, you can be the member of my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support and time.